Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a mail call, and this one is sponsored by HQ. You guys know the prop that we all have grown to love. So let's see what they sent me. So anyway, HQ went ahead and sent me these props in. These are actually the juicy props for 5-inch. They're the J37s. They're a 4.9 3. I did look it up and I did forget, so anyway, we're gonna go ahead and run them, throw them on the Apex and see how they run. I like the colors they sent in. They got, looks like got some yellow, some clear, and some like teal going on. So I've been running, I would run the watermelons or the S4s, and then I switched over for a little bit to the Gemfan 51466. Well, the 51466, I like that prop, don't get me wrong, but when I went to these 2306 motors, it's a lot more on the throttle side of things. So when I got the package in the mail and it happened to have these in there with that lower pitch and all that, I was like, that might be onto something there. Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and run them, give them a shot, see how they run, and give them some feedback onto them. So we got them, and then you're probably wondering what's going on behind them. Well, that is a different prop that some might not even know what's going on there. This is a 9-inch prop. This is a 9x4x3. Yes, it's a huge prop. And what this is for is, you guys have I've showed you before the beast class, so that's exactly what we're going to run this on. I ran 10-inch props on it, which is this guy here, so you can kind of see the difference there on what we got going on. So I believe with this prop here, I like the way this flew, don't get me wrong, it flies fine and whatever. We just had some doing some work on it, putting the Crossfire back into it, putting the camera into the front of it, just got to mount it. And I'm looking at the difference in this prop here, like on the quad itself, and you can see the world of a difference. This is the 9-inch HQ, and this is the 10-inch, I'm wanting to say Master Air Screw, I believe. I couldn't remember exactly where we ordered them, it's been a while, but you see the difference there. Definitely feel like there's going to be a total flight difference with them. Just the difference of the prop. Look at the pitch going on there. As you can see, not as much of aggressive a pitch on the 9 as is on the 10. So and another thing, how hard they are. That's pretty, you know, solid. Where these are solid, but they do give a little bit, and that's what I didn't like about these, because when you went past stuff, you would nip like a limb and it would just chip the prop and stuff off. So I've been wanting to try some 9-inch props on this, so this just worked out perfect. Was on Facebook, saw a message that Zong had put on there. It was wanting someone to do some testing on these props, so sent a message and we hooked up together. So we're gonna go ahead and do some testing on these. Stay tuned to the channel and you will get to see, if you don't know, how adorable HQ props and all are, because with this many of these props, we probably can afford to run it into a tree and see what kind of durability they are and everything. So we got to test everything on them as we would anything else. So we'll catch you guys on the next one. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and happy flying.